Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a vacuum that just doesn't cut it when it comes to getting your floors truly clean? I've got the solution for you. It's the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its powerful hypervelocity suction, you'll be amazed at how easily it picks up dirt and debris from your floors, leaving them feeling smooth and looking like new. The Dirt Reveal technology is also a total winner. It illuminates all the hidden dirt and dust, so you can be sure you're getting every last bit. I've been using this vacuum for a while now, and I can tell you, it's been a total lifesaver, especially on my hardwood floors. The FLOORDETECT technology is so smart, it automatically adjusts the brush roll speed depending on the surface you're cleaning, so you don't have to worry about switching nozzles or adjusting settings. And the best part, it's totally pet hair friendly, with a self-cleaning brush roll that picks up hair without getting all tangled up. Plus, with the HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, you can breathe easy knowing that over 99% of dust and allergens are being trapped, rather than released back into the air. Many customers have fallen in love with this vacuum, and it's easy to see why. It's just so easy to use and the results are amazing. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy pet, or just doing your weekly tidy, this vacuum is up to the task. The sound it makes is so satisfying, a gentle hum that lets you know it's working hard to get your floors clean. And when you're done, your floors will feel so clean and smooth under your feet, it's like a whole new floor. If you're in the market for a new vacuum, I highly recommend giving the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless if this helped. Hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.